Part 3, sorry, some more things which I was trying to show the police officer, following on from did they have authority to use force and how much force. Police Reform Act 2002, section 83, current legislation as far as I believe, please check. I, whoever, of blah blah blah, do solemnly and sincerely declare and affirm that I will well and truly serve the Queen in the office of constable with fairness, integrity, diligence and impartiality, upholding fundamental human rights and according to equal respect to all people and companies, and that I will, and companies wasn't in there, and that I will, to the best of my power, cause the peace to be kept and preserved, and prevent all offences against people and property, and that while I continue to hold the said office, I will, to the best of my skill and knowledge, discharge all the duties thereof faithfully according to law. That's their oath. That's what they swear before they can become a police officer after their training, etc. They must swear this oath, and this is what they're supposed to do. I do believe I can clarify without looking for the video, but I'm sure somebody asked him about his oath. Either he didn't know it or he refused to say. Criminal Justice and Courts Act 2015, section 26. Now, when I was hanging out of the window at the very beginning of the video, this is what I was citing to the police officer, constable. I informed him that this potentially makes him liable for which what he denied. Is on the video. I tried to hand it to him and urged him to read it. Section 26. Corrupt or other improper exercise of police powers and privileges. 1. A police constable listed in subsection 3 commits an offence if he or she A. exercises the powers and privileges of a constable improperly, and B. knows or ought to know that the exercise is improper. A police constable guilty of an offence under this section is liable, on conviction on indictment, to imprisonment for a term not exceeding 14 years or a fine or both. Subsection 3, just to let you know, the police constables referred to in subsection 1 are a constable of police force in England and Wales. I'm in Wales, don't know if you guessed. So, exercises the powers and privileges of a constable improperly. Let's see what the powers and privileges are again. Police Reform Act 2002. Well and truly serve the Queen in the office of constable with fairness, integrity, diligence and impartiality. Yeah, that's the Queen. Upholding fundamental human rights and according equal respect to all people. To all people. There's no company written after that. And that I will, to the best of my power, arms folded, cause the peace to be kept and preserved and prevent all offences against people and property. I don't know. 1 million witnesses. Make up your own mind. Check it out.